Hi, today we're going to go over how to use the charts of the Kyusho. And this is on Kyusho.com, okay, and you come down to My Account, and let's just take you through this, okay, once you sign up for it, and you'll notice all these topics that you could go into and all these sections. Under Anatomical Charts, click on the Charts button, you'll see the charts come up, and you'll see the layers come out, okay, on this image. And you can sign up for it and get the full package. And these are all the different designations and charts that we have available for you. Now, they're 5-layer charts. Now, when you do to use this, you just click on that layers button. So let's try that again. Okay, you'll see the layers over here on the left-hand side. Okay, and you just click on that, and you'll see that they have designations for quality, and you also have slider bars. Now you can just grab this slider and move it on over, and you'll see that you can fade to whatever degree you want. You could also do it by capturing the numbers in through here, okay, and just let me get captured over here, and designating it that way as well. So just put your mouse on this quality, and you can also change it by the slider. All right, and you can also do this with all the different layers, so you can get the right image for what you want to see that designation, and to get that to work for you. Now let's go take a look at another one down in through here. Now you can't access these unless, of course, you sign up for the charts themselves. And let's go over to that was just on that line. So let's go over here. Let's pick this one. Okay, and that's the one we had up before. Now you saw quickly they all registered all the images. You do have to wait for this to come up. Now on some browsers, for some reason, this is the Brave browser that I'm using right now, and it works very well with this. But for some reason on some browsers, you have to take this, grasp onto it, and then slide it all the way over, and you'll start to see it somewhere around here start to make the fade, and you draw it, off the page or off that. So just take it and grab it slowly, and you can fade away, and then you can get into the different layers and what you want to see for the tissue. If you get rid of the muscle altogether, or you bring it back to some faded quality. If we bring it back all together, you can bring up the nerve a little bit more to be more prominent, to see the nerve structures. You can see the vascular tissue. You can take away the vascular tissue. You can see how it lays within the skull structure and whatnot. And you can, again, fade all these. Now, once you've got that to a good image, you can just click this off and it will stay there, and you can look at it. Now to zoom it, you just zoom your page, and to zoom your page, there's several ways you can do it. For here, I got the zoom that I can start to zoom in, and I can really take a close look at this and come back. So this is for, let me get back to the regular zoom here now that I did this. And we'll go down to 100% here. And it depends on the size of your monitor, obviously, but you get the idea. You also have the pressure point nomenclature here, and where it's located. And I've done this because there's a lot of people transitioning from pressure points over to the anatomical structures to make their Kyusho a lot better. Now, when you switch over, you're going to notice that you learn faster, but there is still a learning process. And let's bring up that point layer one more, a little bit more. Let's go over here. Okay, so you can start to see this pressure point. So we see this pressure point after I've brought it up. You saw the underlying structures. You could fade back to it. you also have the descriptions, and you press or strike, and how to do that, what the results are, the reactions of the body, and it tells you exactly how to attack that. Then you have all these designations for all these different points on the human body. Now, I didn't go through all of them, just the ones that were pertinent for your Kyusho studies. So that's a little bit more on the charts. And what we have with those charts, you can see that they pop up again. We can go into the layers. We can start to slowly fade these, or you can capture this and go into a point, whatever you want for that designation. So I hope this gives you a little bit more idea of what the charts are like and how to use them.